This is Big Hue Art coming at you, and I just want to take a second to thank all my thoughtful and supportive YouTube family. Thank you for making this experience so rewarding, helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm really looking forward to this journey, seeing where it takes me and having fun along the way. It's just a quick video to say thank you to my most supportive YouTube creators. They've helped me through this journey. They've provided support, well wishes, amazing comments, feedback. I am thankful for them all. If you could please check the links in the description below and go and cheer them on, I know that they would be forever grateful.